Let me show you how to make this low carb lasagna using these Egglife Wraps, which is a great substitute for pasta. Now make sure that you watch the video all the way to the end, where I've posted the recipe and you can screenshot it. Hello everyone, my name is Gino from GG Goes Keto. I'm going to show you my next recipe on how to make this delicious lasagna using these Egglife Wraps. Everybody's talking about these Egglife Wraps. It is the newest trend. Let's get into this video, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so now so you don't miss out on any of these delicious recipes. Let's get into it. Remember to eat great and still lose weight. This is what you're going to need to get started. 1 pound of 80/20 cooked and drained ground beef or ground turkey. 1 6-ounce package of original Egglife Wraps. They are 0 carbs and I got them at Target. 8 ounces of ricotta cheese, 1 egg that's beaten, a half a jar of Rails marinara, Italian parsley that's chopped, 6 ounces of shredded mozzarella cheese and grated Parmesan cheese to garnish, and non-stick spread. I'm going to crack open 1 egg into a bowl and whisk it thoroughly. Then you're going to add your ricotta cheese. Once you've added your cheese, mix it up. And we're going to add a half a tablespoon of chopped parsley and continue to mix. There you go. Now we're going to add a half a tablespoon of garlic powder and a half a tablespoon of Italian seasonings. We want to use our non-stick avocado spray to spray down our pan so it doesn't stick. It's easy for cleanup. We're going to start off by using our Rails marinara. I used about 2 tablespoons to start out with. Next, we want to start layering our Egglife Wraps, which I have sliced in half. The next thing we're going to do is add our ricotta cheese mixture that we made earlier. Spread it all around so it's nice and even. Next, we're going to add our ground beef. Make sure that you put it in a full layer so no one misses out on any of that delicious ground beef. Next up, we're going to add our shredded mozzarella. Be liberal with this. And that makes up our first layer. So we're going to start our second layer with our Egglife Wraps again. We will then continue to add more Rails marinara, about 2 tablespoons. Next up, our ricotta cheese mixture again. Again, this would be our second of 3 layers. Once you've added your ricotta cheese mixture and spread it around, we're going to add more ground beef. Again, you can use ground turkey if you would like. It is up to you. I cooked it in advance. The next thing we're going to do is add more mozzarella cheese. Again, make sure there's full coverage all around. And then we start our third layer, which is our Egglife Wraps again. More Rails marinara. Again, it's low sugar and low carb. Again, this is going to feed the entire family, so it is a pretty huge portion, many layers. Next thing we're going to add is our ricotta cheese mixture again. Once we spread that all around, we'll finish up with any leftover ground beef or ground turkey. And this is what it's going to look like. Next thing, we're going to then add our chopped parsley for some color. Got to have some color, right? And then top it off with the last part of our mozzarella cheese, which is shredded. This is what your lasagna should look like. All of those layers before it goes into the oven. This is our Egglife Wrap lasagna. We're going to put this in an oven that we preheated at 375 degrees. Again, we're only going to cook this for about 35 minutes, so you have to kind of keep an eye on it. We'll put that in the oven, and it is going to turn out delicious. Well, 35 minutes is up. We're going to take it out of the oven, and look how awesome that looks. Add a little grated Parmesan cheese to the top. Well, here's the final product. This is my low-carb and keto-friendly lasagna made with these Egglife Wraps that everybody's talking about, that's trending. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share, and click on that bell so you get notified when my next video is coming out so you don't miss any of my upcoming recipes, just like this thick lasagna. Well, that's it. Thanks, everybody, and try it yourself. My name's Gino, and have a great day.